Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, the cool is right here, and basically what this is a stainless steel tong that also has like a silicone part that's right here and also on the side as well. So obviously there's a lot of other tongs available out there, but the one that we got right here, it comes in a set of two of them. So one of them is a 9-inch and the other one is a 12-inch. And they also have this available in a lot of different colors. The one that we got right here is a light green or green color, but I'm actually taking it out from the wrapper to show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright, so we're going to take it out here and see that this is basically what the product looks like. So the top one right here is 12-inch and the bottom one right here is 9-inch. And see how they tied it together so you guys know it's brand new. So now I should cut this open and show you guys what both of them look like separately. Alright, so when we cut both of them open, you can see that this is basically what it actually looks like. So you definitely use it like a regular tong to grab stuff. And you can see the one that we got right here from this brand right here. So the way how they designed this tong right here is very cool because it has the silicone part right here, but it also has it right here and also has it right here. So you can definitely use the top option to hang it on somewhere. And this also works as a lock and unlock button. So if I pull like this, that locks the actual part right here, so you guys can't move it out anymore. But if you guys push it down, you guys open up that far, if you can see. Same thing applies to the 12-inch one as well. And if you see the way how they designed this part right here, they definitely have this option right here and also on the bottom as well. So that way when you guys are using it, you can definitely get a good grip right here and a comfortable grip as well. And the cool thing about silicone stainless steel tongs is the fact that when you guys actually use this part to actually grab stuff, it's non-slippery as well, not like the regular stainless steel tongs, which is pretty awesome. So whether you guys want to use it for picking up trash or for cooking or grabbing stuff, you can use it however you guys want to. And they do mention that these stainless steel tongs are heat resistant as well, up to 500 degrees. So as long as you guys don't go beyond 500 degrees, then you should be fine. And when you guys feel the stainless steel part right here, it definitely feels like a high quality stainless steel as well, if you guys can hear. And some other cool things about this product is the fact that they mention how it's BPA free, and it also has like the rust resistant material on here that's also corrosion resistant as well. So this is basically what both of these tongs look like. Let's actually go test it out and show you guys how it works and when it actually works. And then we'll come back and talk more about product in a second. Alright, so you see that there's a bunch of veggies sticking out. So that's where my tongs will come in handy, so I can actually put it inside and move it around. So you see I have my tong right here. So I just push it in. You can see how well it works. And you can definitely grab it around and mix it around if I want to as well, which is pretty nice. And like I mentioned, for the silicone material on here, it is heat resistant. So if I just leave it inside right here, it won't burn or anything because of that silicone material right here and that heat resistant material that they have on here. So even if I leave it like this, it's totally fine. So definitely leave it like that if you guys want to, or if you guys want to put it inside, you can definitely do that as well. However you guys want to put it, that's up to you guys, but it definitely works really well, if you can see right here. And then the same thing applies to the other one as well. So this one's 9-inch, the other one's a 12-inch. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys saw a quick test of the product and definitely see that actually does work and works quite well. Super easy to use. If you can see the way how we use the tong actually works really well and definitely has that heat resistant material, so when you guys actually put it on the side of the pot, you don't have to worry about like the silicone part melting or anything, which is pretty awesome. So you can definitely use it for like grilling, or if you guys want to use it on a stove top, or if you guys want to use it for picking up trash or whatever, you can definitely use it however you guys want to. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to come unboxing and testing the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually work or not. So for this product, I definitely have to say that it is super worth it if you guys want one or need one of these, especially if you guys plan on using this a lot for like cooking or just picking up stuff or just for grilling or whatever, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it'll definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.